In this video, we're going to take a look at how to deactivate your Facebook account. So I'm currently logged into my account here, and let's just say, for example, Facebook is addictive, and maybe I just want to take a little bit of a break from Facebook, so I want to deactivate my account. So all we need to do is in the top right hand corner, click the little arrow at the top there, and then we want to click on the settings. And then once that page is loaded, on the left-hand corner, in the left-hand sidebar, we're going to click on your Facebook information. So we're going to click that. And then at the bottom of the page, there's an option that says delete your account and information. We're going to click on this. We're going to click view. Okay, so basically there's two different options. You have the option to deactivate your account, and you have the option to permanently delete your account. We just want to deactivate our account, so we're going to click on the deactivate button. And then it's just asking me for a password, so I'm just going to put that in and then click continue. So it's just saying, are you sure that you want to deactivate your account? And it's basically giving you some reasons that why you're leaving. So I'm just going to click on this one. This is temporary. I'll be back. So it says, would you like to log out instead of deactivating? If you are deactivating your account, make sure you still have access to your email address, phone number, etc. So would you like to log out instead? No, we don't want to just log out. Okay, and then if we just click on deactivate here. So it just says, are you sure you want to deactivate your account? Deactivating your account will disable your profile and remove your name, photos, most things that you've shared on Facebook. So yeah, we're going to click on deactivate now. And that's it. That's how you deactivate your Facebook account. For more tutorials, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.